Ay, yung pangalan mo, my name is, ganun. Sige na.
안녕하세요. My name is Princess Celia. Ikaw naman.
Dali na, ikaw na. Ikaw na. Ikaw na siya,
안녕하세요. 저는 메두셀라입니다. 저는 언니야.
Ay, this a dreamy, dreamy school. Galing ako sa dreamy school. Kunin sini. Ako din ako. Ano na sa'yo? Kunin mo 13 manutin sa Japan eh. Kunin na sa Korea. Sige na. Mag-Korean kayo. Okay. Ano na mo to re? Ako na niya sa brownish. Sige na. Ayan. Uy, dali na ipag-aano kita dun sa amin. Sige na. Ano na mo turista na ko nun, de? Ichinin tolerante. Okay, 5. Okay. Okay na. You need to prepare yourself. Look at the camera. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, wait. Okay, I will wait for you. Okay, 5. Just tell your name, age, where did you school, where did you study, what school, what is your favorite subject, and who is the teacher. Okay.
Are you recording now?
Yes, I'm recording. Starting 1, 2, 3, go.
Hi, my name is Isaac.
No, in Korea. In Korea. Like, seem like Jaja. Ano nga sa'yo? You like sound like that.
I don't know Korean that much eh.
Okay. Only a little? Okay. What is Korea? What is... Okay, I changed my mind. Because I forgot how to question. Sige, ka na. English na lang. English na lang. Ready, get, set, go. English. English. Sige na, okay na. English na lang. Ay, Tagalog na lang. Which one do you like? English or Tagalog or Korean? Which one? You select one. Sige na. Okay, you take rest first. Okay, just rest. Okay.